Put your best foot forward. What that means is don't make your most important viewer, ideal client, hiring manager, do not make them go look for the best activity that you have done on LinkedIn. And that's down here in your activity section. By default, if you don't do anything, post is what they're going to see. They're going to see all your posts. But if you have articles, newsletters, documents, images, videos, etc., that really showcases your value, your potential, put that out there first. By the way, I got this from a post from Jeff Young and a gift that Kevin D. Turner created, and this is how you do it. You click this pencil right here. So choose the most valuable set of content that you have to share. Maybe it's posts, maybe it's comments, maybe videos, images, etc., and make sure that the content in there showcases your value to your most important viewer, ideal client, etc. There's no need to show them content that A, you may not have much of, or B, doesn't really help you shine. I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping people get the most out of LinkedIn. I hope this is helpful for you.